Hello everyone. Greetings of the day. Namaste. So students and my lovely parents, we often think that our children should represent the country, our children should participate in different competitive exams, but we are confused where we should send or where we should apply such that they are being able to justify themselves or they are being able to solve a good questions, and if they get a chance to represent the country, then that can be the awesome thing, isn't it? So today I'm here to tell you about a very renowned Olympiad exam that is being conducted in America. Yes, you're right. America, then are the children of India being allowed? Yes, definitely. So, India, along with many other country students, are also being allowed for this competition. So, I'm talking about American Math Olympiad. Yes, we know like a lot of Olympiad exams takes place in the country itself, but we should not, you know, I mean, we should not go for every of the Olympiad, because there might be like the Olympiads are there, but the kind of questions they are not being very kind, which are just matching such standard of American Math Olympiad or many other renowned competitions, because these math Olympiads are basically of internationally renowned, and they have a different kind of motto. Their motto is not only restricted to solving the questions and getting the results. That is one part. That is one part that we often do not understand by learning mathematics or just putting the formula, getting the values. It's not about learning mathematics, or it's not about loving mathematics. We sometimes pressurize even students that okay, you solve, and he is not solving, actually he is just memorizing also. It happens, we often see that sometimes students memorize, they are so much pressurized sometimes that they memorize the things, and the same question when comes, they just write as it is. So it's not about loving the mathematics, it's not about learning the mathematics. It's just a part that they are good at the calculations. They are good at just implementing those formulas. So this kind of good Olympiads are being conducted, and here different grades are being allowed to participate. And in the US education levels, they have a early childhood, elementary school, middle school, and a high school. So this competition is for all your grades 2 to 12. This competition is for all the students from grade 2 to 12 can participate. But I will here focus more about your grade 3, 4, 5, and 6. But yes, definitely the other students can also participate in such competition. So now talking about grade, grade 3, 4, 5, 6. So they will be generally coming under the age 5 to 10. That's an elementary school. Or some students will be also coming under the middle schools. So as per the age group or the grades they have, they can participate. Now moving on, that why I was talking that there are so many Olympiads, but we should be very cautious about what exam we are selecting. It's not about a rat race like we are just running behind all competitions. No, we should have to put a filter on it, that which one are the best ones, and I'm here to help you regarding this. So this AMO, that's your American Math Olympiad, has a very clear motto. They have very clear goals, that the first thing is they want to cultivate the interest in the students. First of all, the cultivation of interest is very important. We cannot do very good in any of the thing. Let's say if I'm drawing something, if I'm not interested in it, I will never be able to become a good artist. Or if I am not interested, if I'm not liking my work, I will never try to do something new in it. Yeah, under pressure I can definitely, will try to just copy, or will try to just do somehow I will finish that work. But like upgradation, or if you want to do some additional thing in it, that comes from the interest. So very first motto is to cultivate the interest, and that is very much matching with what we do with Antu. Even we try to cultivate the interest in the students so that they love the subject. It's not about problem only, it's not about putting the formulas, it's not about only teaching them the result oriented things. No. Second thing, introduction of concepts. Yes, they will be definitely also want that the concept should be introduced. Then their problem solving, then meeting challenges, and scholarship and opportunities. That is the ultimate goal. That, yes, that's the ultimate the thing at the end. That of course, if the child is working very very hard, so appreciation to banta hai, right? So appreciation, they will be having the scholarship and lot of other opportunities. So they are being very, very clear with the goals, objectives, like to stimulate enthusiasm and love for mathematics, to introduce important mathematical concepts. That is very, very basic, and they want it to be used by students. They are being able to apply them. Then to teach major strategies for problem solving, that how the applications has to be used, how they are being able to apply them, okay, in the real sphere. Then to develop mathematical flexibility in solving problems, to provide for the satisfaction, joy and thrill of meeting challenges, and to open up US university scholarship and education opportunities for the students, so that student can get the scholarship and they can study in America. All right, then moving ahead. So what is the format of the test? Now this, after getting this information, there might be a feeling that okay, fine, we are getting a chance to study in America, we are getting a chance to appear for such a fantastic exam that's taking place globally. So what is going to be the format of the test? So the format of the test is very common to all the levels. So it would be a test of duration 1 hour 30 minutes, and there would be comprising of 25 questions, in which 3 sections are being there. Section A comprising of 15 MCQ, okay, which will be having 3 points each. That would consist of 45 points. Then again on the section B, it would be again of 5 MCQ questions, that is 5 points each, total 25 points again. And then at the section C, that would be 5 open-ended questions. So open-ended questions are something where we ask, where the questions are being asked of a non-routine. Here the student have to apply, how they are using their brain to solve the problems. So they would be consisting of 6 points each, and they will be comprising 30 points. So all in total, it would be consisting of 100 marks or 100 points. It's very clear about the format of the test. Let's move further. Now talking about the syllabus. Yes, for the syllabus, for the primary 2 to 4, they would be studying your arithmetic and statistics to prepare well for the exam. Then geometry and mensuration, solving word problems using model methods. And then comes your non-routine problem, which I was talking about, your open-end questions and all. It would be comprising of your non-routine problems. In the section B also, it will be having some sort of MCQs that would be of non-routine, where including number patterns, divisibility test, spatial visualization, logic problems, and simple cryptarithms. Now let's see the syllabus for the grade 5, 6. Yes, they would be also consisting arithmetic and statistics, geometry and mensuration, solving word problems, non-routine problems. So this would be, kind of again the kind of the syllabus for the grade 5, 6 and grade 3, 4. Now, do the students have to go and give it in America? Is it that the way? No. It can be held in the online process also, and the students can enroll themselves for it. And we have the body in India also, that is Olympiad India, which takes place, which organization, that is the organization that takes care of this exam in India. So this exam is highly recommended, and students, a very good news for you all that we at Vedantu prepare the students for such competitive exams. And in the meantime, we always try to update you with different competitive exams which are very good for the students, because here we do a lot of work on it, and we want the students to do all the good Olympiads and other competitive exams, not for going for all the exams. No, we have to apply a filter such that we are being able to identify the good Olympiads and the other competitive exams and appear for them. So wish you all the best. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.